next up, every night across America, 90 million people are up to the same thing at night. It's snoring. Mm-hmm. Either you or someone in your house is playing that sweet nose music nightly. But how much can you take? A study finds, a new survey found that the average person can only stand it for about 90 minutes before they kick their partner out of bed or, I mean, I'm assuming probably move, you know, to the couch or somewhere else.
Yeah.
Does Rossi, do you or Welly snore?
How dare you? I feel attacked. No. It's so funny. When you said snore, I was looking at our audience, and there are a bunch of people here with their significants, and a lot of people went like this. Too late. I'm looking at you. You know, what are you going to do?
I don't know, but someone in the audience also deals with this dilemma. Yafa, are you in our audience, Yafa?
Hi, Drew. Hey, Ross.
Hi,
Yafa. What is your snore story?
Well, my boyfriend snores so loud, it really makes me want to kick him to the couch. I love the guy, I do. But a girl needs her beauty sleep, too.
Yes.
What do you do?
I end up on the couch.
Have you brought it up?
Well, he's right here. Maybe you can bring it up.
Wait, what? How do you live through this? Because everyone's got to live through something with someone. So your thing is snoring. Okay, so now what do you do?
So, Drew, Ross, obviously, I mean, I think I'm going to get in trouble when I get home. But
Yeah.
So the thing is,
I think you're already in trouble.
the idea is to get her out of the bed so I can have the whole bed to myself. So...
Oh, you better be careful. She might just be out of that bed for good.
Wait, are you faking it?
Yes, faking it. That's the thing. Sometimes you just want to, like, lay back, relax, turn on Netflix, maybe watch a movie on your own.
But seriously, are you serious? Are you messing with her?
Obviously, I'm messing with her.
Gosh darn you, I really fell for that. And I was like, oh no, don't do that. Oh my God, I'm so relieved. Okay, so everything's okay. You're not being duplicitous and we're not plotting your death on the way home.
No, of course not.
Great, well this is good news.
Can you do an impression of how bad the snoring is?
Do you want me to?
Yes.
Yeah. Just show us so
we
have
asking.
an idea.
You owe it to me.
Yeah. Yeah. Good luck, you guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, next story.
All right.
God, that really gave me an anxiety attack.
Worried you. Hey, Drew, next we have a story I know you're going to love. Do you guys remember having that big CD collection back in the day? Well, a writer at Rolling Stone named Rob Sheffield, he just wrote a love letter to the CD. Last year, CD sales actually increased for the first time in 17 years. How? Well, they say mostly thanks to Adele, BTS, and Taylor Swift. But Rob is hoping for a major CD comeback. Okay, you guys have to look at what she's doing over here. She's bringing out...
Oh my God, it's so heavy. I'm not kidding.
Drew commits to a story. She brought in her CD book. You still have your CDs?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, look, it opened right up to De La Soul.
And are these alphabetized?
They are alphabetized. And yeah, every book, I have A to Z.
I just have to say the most shocking thing about this story is how well organized your CDs are, because look at the desk.
I know.
And look at her CDs. Barrymore, I'm proud of you.
There's
very
hope
proud
for
of you.
everybody.